In today's video, you will learn how to choose the best greens at the market to take home. It is no secret that to have a healthy diet, we need to eat fruits, vegetables, and green leaves, right? It is important to pay attention to some details while buying these foods so we can enjoy all the benefits that they offer. But do you know how to choose your greens at the market? Many times we are misled by the appearance of greens. Then, when we get home, we notice that they aren't as good as they look. Some of them end up wilting too soon. Others aren't tasty. If that also happens to you, learn how to avoid it from now on. Napa cabbage. Choose the ones that are green and firm with a white enclosed center. Avoid the ones with wilted leaves or insect bites. Watercress. The leaves should be dark green and have firm stalks. Celery. The leaves should be shiny and dark green, without any yellow spots. It is important to separate the stalks to see if they aren't brown or black inside. Artichoke. The leaves must be closed and without any black spots. To choose the best artichoke, hold it by its base and gently shake. A flexible stem means it is ready to be eaten. Lettuce. The leaves must be firm, slightly crunchy, and have vibrant colors. Avoid wilted leaves or the ones with brown spots. Asparagus. Choose the ones that have a shiny green color and are firm yet soft to the touch. The tip of its thorns must be closed and slightly purple or dark green. Avoid the ones with yellow stalks, or if they have spots, are wilted or have flowers. Broccoli. Choose the dark green ones that have firm stalks, tight florets, and fresh leaves. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Green onions. The leaves must be deep green and without any marks. Cilantro. Choose the ones that have deep green leaves and crunchy stalks without any dark spots. Collard greens. The leaves must be dark green, firm, and without any spots. Spinach. Choose the one with green and firm leaves without any wilted parts. Mint. The leaves must be deep green and without any dark spots. Basil. The best ones have smooth leaves and no dark spots. Arugula. Choose the leaves that are green and firm. Parsley. The leaves must be deep green and without any dark spots. So, did you like learning how to choose the best greens to take home? Remember that these foods don't last long and should be quickly eaten to avoid losing their flavor and nutrients.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.